Hey, I'm Tei, and this is a quick review of Ranmori and Shinichi Kudo Nendoroids. Ranmori is the main supporting character from Detective Conan manga and anime. She's a bright and strong girl who definitely deserved a Nendoroid form. As any other Detective Conan Nendo, Ran was manufactured at Totori Factory, so she was made in Japan. She's of standard Nendoroid articulation and the freedom of movement is somewhat limited. It's nothing surprising though, as the criminal was the only Detective Conan Nendo to have a super movable body. As for the faceplates, she comes with 3. The first one is the standard one with bright smile. The second faceplate is the blushing one. And the third faceplate is the angry one. I'd say it's a nice range of emotions and a lot of other Nendoroids are not as lucky. As for the accessories, let's start with straight arms and open hands, just how she comes out of the box. The first actual accessory is her bag with rolled karate gi. As I said, Ran is a strong girl, and she knows karate. So also she comes with bent arms and fists to show off her battle spirit. And if you feel like it's not enough, there are kicking legs, a whole special lower part. Also please notice that the shoulder part of her left arm was changed to go a little more straight. If you think she needs more accessories, there is one more, a flip phone. For some reason it can't be separated from the hand and doesn't have an iconic sea cucumber, which is a little sad. And lastly, there is a hand holding part. Ran and Shinichi are one of the most popular anime pairs, so it would be strange not to have anything for them both. By the way, I tried it on other Nendos and it worked pretty fine. And as we mentioned Shinichi, let's take a look at him. Shinichi Kudo is the main character of Detective Conan manga and anime. He just happens to be presented in as few cases as possible because his alter ego Conan is much more interesting. He was also made in Japan, as we could see a Totori Factory sticker on his box. Just like Ran, he has a standard Nendoroid body that has some limitations. Nothing crucial, but not as dynamic as a super mobile body. As for the faceplates, he comes with 3 of them. The standard one with a smug smile. The second faceplate is the blushing one. And the third faceplate is the one full of pain. The range of Shinichi's emotions can be even wider if you have Nendoroids of Conan or Kaito Kid, as their faces are identical both in manga and in figures. For accessories, I am starting with straight arms and open hands once again. These are boring but important. Then Shinichi comes with pointing fingers on both hands. He does a lot of pointing at criminals, so in fact, for his Nendo it's useful. But if you add bent arms, it looks like he's dancing. Other optional arms are the ones that have the hands hidden in pockets. A stylish look I respect. Also, Shinichi comes with one fist for keeping it at his chin whilst thinking. I'm showing it along with his hand holding a smartphone. Just like Ran's, they're not supposed to be separated, but I broke mine accidentally. Oh, and we finally got a football. I was wondering why Nendoroid Conan never got one, but now I know they planned to give it to Shinichi. Also, please notice a special kicking leg. Lastly, Shinichi comes with an optional neck piece with loosened tie and collar. It's supposed to look like he's about to transform back into Conan, but we all know it was made because he looks much hotter like this. All in all, these Nendoroids are a great addition in the Detective Conan line. I think that some of Ran's faceplates look a little off, but I can't put a finger on why. And to be honest, I don't want to overthink it. I thought there wouldn't be any Detective Conan Nendos after Kid and Haibara, but I'm happy I was wrong. I like this manga and I'll be happy if we keep getting more and more characters from it. Finally, it's time for a photo. First of all, after many years, I bit the bullet, bought a new camera, and this is the first shot I made with it. The camera is Canon EOS 250D by the way. As for the actual photoshoot, it was straightforward. I prepared all the Nendos at home and made some test shots so I could take only the essentials with me. Also, my friend presented me a cool Soviet lens that makes the bokeh so much prettier, just look at it. In the end, I forgot to take a standard Shinichi faceplate, so this Kanin Umaru face ended up on the thumbnail. At least, it's funny. And that's it. I like these two a lot. I think they are a nice pair, even though I believe Ran deserves someone better than Shinichi. I'm sure he will be a better person by the end of manga, but for now I'm just feeling bad for Ran. Anyway, I like these Nendoroids and I think that you should have them if you like Detective Conan manga and anime. If you have any questions about these two, or any other questions about Nendoroid photography, figure photography, tutorials, dioramas, anything, please leave those in the comments. For now, thank you for watching, my name is Tay, it's been Tays and Figures, and bye!